Did you know that while TikTok and Instagram dominate discussions about making money online, Pinterest quietly boasts 478 million monthly active users, offering great opportunities? Have you ever wondered how Pinterest influences shopping choices? With 90% of its users admitting to being swayed by its content and a staggering 78% appreciating brand promotions, Pinterest is a goldmine for income generation. In this video, I've poured extensive research and personal experience into revealing 4 proven strategies that can earn you up to $1,500 weekly. Now let's get started. Step 1. First things first, let's define what Pinterest really is. Imagine a virtual bulletin board where you can pin up anything from appetizing recipes to weight loss workout plans. It's like having a digital vision board where you can list all your favorite things in one place. Now, here's the beauty of it. You don't have to create all the content yourself. You can repost other people's pins and still rack up those views. It's all about sharing valuable content that resonates with your audience. To start your journey to Pinterest success, I highly recommend setting up a business account. This unlocks a whole array of features, including valuable analytics that can help you fine-tune your strategy. Plus, it gives you the option to run ads if you want to take your monetization game to the next level. Once your business account is set up, it's time to choose your niche. Whether it's health, wealth, or relationships, pick something you're passionate about. But don't stop there. Drill down even further into a sub-niche to carve out your own space in the Pinterest ecosystem. Let's say you've decided to focus on health and weight loss. Now comes the fun part, naming your Pinterest page. Use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas until you find one that really resonates. Remember, your name is like your brand identity on Pinterest, so make it catchy and memorable. With your name sorted, it's time to design a logo that reflects your niche. Again, ChatGPT can come in handy if you've got the paid version, or you can use user-friendly platforms like Canva to bring your vision to life. Now that your page is looking sharp, it's time to craft a killer bio. This is your chance to make a good first impression, so put some thought into it. Use ChatGPT to help you come up with something snappy and professional that showcases what your page is all about. With your content fully optimized, it's time to start pinning content. But not just any content. You want to share stuff that your audience will love. Whether it's articles, infographics, or videos, make sure it's valuable and relevant to your niche. And don't forget to engage with your audience by liking, commenting, and repinning their content. As your page grows, you'll start to see opportunities to monetize. From affiliate marketing to sponsored pins, there are plenty of ways to cash in your Pinterest success. Just keep experimenting and refining your strategy until you find what works for you. Step 2. Now let's talk about what it takes to succeed on Pinterest. It all boils down to one word: activity. The more active you are on the platform, the better your chances of making money. So, what does this mean? Pinning regularly, following others in your niche, and engaging with content. It may sound simple, and that's because it is. Think of it as adding another layer to your social media routine, but this time with the potential for significant financial rewards. But how do you actually monetize your Pinterest activity? The answer lies in affiliate marketing. This tried and tested method allows you to earn commissions by referring products or services to your audience. And the best part, you don't need a massive following to get started. In fact, you can start making money with just a few hundred followers. All you need to do is sign up for affiliate programs, select products aligned with your niche, and start pinning. It's that simple. Now, let's talk strategy. The key to success in affiliate marketing on Pinterest lies in choosing the right products to promote and crafting compelling pins that drive engagement. Start by identifying affiliate programs that align with your interests and niche. Once you've signed up, it's time to get creative. Use platforms like Canva to design eye-catching pins that grab users' attention and entice them to click through your affiliate links. But wait, there's more. To maximize your earnings potential, it's essential to stay active on Pinterest and regularly update your boards with fresh content. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also improves your visibility on the platform, increasing your chances of earning commissions. Moving on to another method for generating income through Pinterest. Step 3. This time, we're talking about selling products and services directly on the platform. Imagine this. You've got a fantastic product or service that you're passionate about and you want to share it with the world. Pinterest can be your stage to showcase and sell what you have to offer. For physical products, high-quality images are key. Showcasing your products in real-life settings can help potential customers envision themselves using your products. Canva is a handy tool for creating eye-catching visuals that highlight the features and benefits of your products. When it comes to digital products, focusing on creating compelling graphics that explain how your product works and how it can benefit others. Clear, readable text overlays can help convey important information to your audience. Now, if you're eager to see results fast, you can consider using Pinterest ads to promote your best performing pins or new products to a broader audience. By targeting your ads based on interests, demographics, and behaviors, you can reach potential customers who are likely to be interested in what you have to offer. So let's crunch some numbers. If your average product sells for $100, you'll need to sell 15 of them per week to make $1,500. That's just 2 sales per day. While it may take some time to reach this goal, with dedication and effort, it's definitely achievable. Step 4. This time, we're exploring option 3, leveraging brand deals. As a Pinterest account holder, teaming up with various brands willing to pay you for pinning their content or creating pins related to their products or services. You set the terms, maybe starting with a package deal of $500 per month for 30 pins. And as your Pinterest views skyrocket, so does your earning potential. Remember, on Pinterest, it's not just about your follower account, it's about all those views. Now, imagine yourself as an aspiring entrepreneur utilizing Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. Every pin you post serves as a gateway to your blog, leading visitors to your articles or blog posts. As your pins gain traction, your blog receives a steady stream of visitors. But here's the kicker. This single income stream can sprout multiple revenue streams through advertising, affiliate marketing, and product sales. Let me break it down for you. I've got an upcoming detailed video tutorial to upload where I walk you through setting up a free blog using Google Blogger. Once you've established some traffic, you can monetize it with Google AdSense, earning money from ads displayed on your blog. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech whiz. Just follow the straightforward steps that will be outlined in the video. But wait, there's more. I've also got several tutorials where I demonstrate how to utilize AI to create blogs, scripts, and captions quickly and effortlessly. You don't need to be a wordsmith to churn out engaging content anymore. Now, armed with your blogging platform, it's time to start pinning on Pinterest. Whether you're reposting content or crafting new pins, remember to link each pin back to your blog. As your blog traffic grows, so does your potential income. Let's talk numbers. When Odetta Rockhead, a famous content creator, was starting her blogs, it was attracting a whopping 900 views a day within just 1 month. That's $80 in a single day from AdSense alone. With consistent effort, you can scale this up to significant earnings. Imagine making $400 a day or $12,000 a month, enough to kiss your day job goodbye. To reach your financial goals, you only need 2,400 daily visitors to your blog from Pinterest. Considering the vast user base on Pinterest, this is very achievable. But wait, there's more ways to monetize. In addition to AdSense, you can earn through affiliate marketing. Simply mention products or books in your blog and earn commissions for every sale generated through your affiliate links. It's like getting paid twice for the same content. While achieving success with affiliate marketing or selling products through a blog is feasible, integrating Pinterest can significantly enhance your results. With its proven effectiveness in driving traffic and higher conversation rates compared to other social platforms, Pinterest stands out as a powerful tool for maximizing your earning potential. But what if you're really not into Pinterest? Maybe you believe more in YouTube? Well, if you want to learn a detailed tutorial about earning money on YouTube, you might want to check out some of our videos. See ya!